I'm Alexander from René of Paris. Today I'm going to do some styling on this amazing wig. This wig is Harriet from the Alexander Couture Collection, and she's a human hair piece. We love her. So I keep getting asked all the time, how do you do these gorgeous curls that don't look too contrived, that look really fashionable and really free with the way that they work? Well, the answer to that question is, anybody that's out there that's doing hair, do hair and approach it the way you want it to look. So, if you are doing something that's very avant-garde, if you're doing something that's really classical, that's going to need a lot of prep. If you're doing something you want a little bit more free, then approach it in a free manner. So, I'll show you exactly what I'm going to do. So I've got a large tom here, a wand if you like, a conical wand. And what I do with this wand is I'm going to take nice big sections. I can take chunky sections up at the top here, take smaller sections at the bottom because conical means it's in a cone shape. And and I've got my heat dial here so I can turn it up and down. Just got that not too high right now. Okay, so first off, I'm going to take a nice chunky big section, and see this, look ladies and gentlemen, I'm holding those ends of the hair with my fingers, and then you can just drop that out and leave that a little bit straighter. So I'm going to then take the next one in the other direction. So we're not trying to have a really overdone curly curl. We want it to look something that's really fashionable, really cool. So I'm just turning this one around. Look, see what I do with those ends, guys? Just leaving those ends straight, and then gives us that nice finish. Now, don't get me wrong, you might be out there saying, I don't like those straight ends. If you don't like the straight ends, no worries, wrap them, it's up to you. But I'm going to share with you all of these techniques so you at home can make them your own. So that one was off on the face, the last one, so I'm going to roll this one back and let go. And I'm going to do the same with this section. I want these sections off the face, so be aware of what direction you're curling if you want them off the face. And how I did this first section, because it's going to confuse you when you get round to this section. So if I turn this one, ladies and gentlemen, around this way, it's not going to be the same as this one here. Because if you remember this one, we took away from the face. So just be aware, especially on the front sections. So look, I've kept those ends straight. So look, my fingers are straight, and just let that one. Now we've got that bit of curling, just using the René of Paris Wig Lift Comb. Okay, just breaking that through a little bit because we want this kind of texture. We don't want it looking over-styled. So I'm going to run that Wig Lift Comb. You just see just over those sides. Okay, just over those sides. Give us that really lovely curl pattern. So just break Harriet's up a little bit. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Harriet from the Alexander Couture Collection. Harriet is a human hair bob, and she comes straight. So what I did today was I took the conical wand and I gave her a really nice little beachy, little blowout, little style. What do you prefer? Do you like it straight, smooth with a bend? Do you like this kind of curl look to it? Or do you like both? Please give us your feedback because that's so valuable for myself and the team. But for now, I want to thank you for tuning in. Remember, follow us on social media. I'm Alexander. This is René of Paris. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.